Beyond the rocky inner worlds and the strange asteroid belt is Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun. Everything about Jupiter is huge. It is so big that more than 1,300 planet Earths could fit inside of it, and is 2.5 times more massive than all of the other planets in the solar system combined. We all know what the colossal gas giant looks like, with its majestic swirling clouds, its famous spinning storm, the Great Red Spot, and its large, mysterious moons orbiting around it. But have you ever wondered what Jupiter sounds like? Back in 2016, NASA's Juno spacecraft was well on its way to the giant gas planet when its onboard instruments detected and recorded the roar of Jupiter. This explosive noise is actually the sound of Juno entering into Jupiter's magnetic field, which protects the planet from solar wind. When supersonic solar wind is suddenly slowed down and heated up as it enters into the gas giant's magnetosphere, it produces a bow shock, and this is what Juno detected as it crossed over into this region. NASA then translated Juno's measurements into this incredible audio file that represents the power of Jupiter's immense magnetic field. The gas giant's magnetosphere is considered one of the largest structures in the solar system, extending out to nearly 3 million miles wide. It is almost 15 times wider than the Sun and 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. But it's not just Jupiter's powerful magnetosphere that we can listen to. Juno also collected plasma wave signals from the gas giant during a close flyby back in 2017. This eerie recording was picked up by the Juno spacecraft using data collected from Jupiter's upper atmosphere. The results show that plasma is denser in the lower parts of Jupiter's ionosphere and that the frequencies grow higher as the plasma becomes denser. The original data in this recording was a much higher frequency than humans can perceive, but NASA slowed the data down by a factor of 60, causing the sound to shift into an audible frequency that we can hear. So it's pretty incredible to think that we can listen to the colossal planet using brilliant spacecrafts like Juno that have travelled the millions of miles it takes to get to and study this celestial wonder that we call Jupiter.